it's Marley from the Midland Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute ghost painting. For this craft, you're gonna need some construction paper. I've chosen blue. I've cut eyes and a mouth out of some scrap black construction paper. I'll need some white paint, and then I've made a paintbrush out of a clothespin and a giant pom-pom. And you'll need some glue to attach the eyes and mouth. Okay, let's get started. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this fun craft tutorial. Bye!